Hi, in this video we will learn how to paint clouds of different shapes, sizes, how to make them fluffy, and how to make them merged with the sky. Means if we don't want very dense clouds, then how we can create that, and if we want dense clouds, then how we can create that. So different shapes and sizes and colors of clouds we see daily in a sky, and it depends on the sunlight and the time. According to that, their reflection will be. So first I am creating, for creating clouds I am using titanium white, and if don't use only titanium white, you can mix a little bit blue in this, because if in first layer if you use pure titanium white, then it will look more chalky and flat, and if you want to make it fluffy, then you have to add different shades and shadow and light clouds. So for here, first for creating base layer or for clouds, I am using titanium white mixed with little bit blue. I am using my old filbert brush, which is spreaded out for this, and you can use fan brush or any flat brush also you can use, in which you are more comfortable. You can use that. Mostly for me it is filbert brush, and usually this is the old filbert brush, because it comes, its strokes are not very specific, and it will be fluffy, so that's why I'm using it. And after applying one layer, I just smudge it softly with any wide soft brush, and smudge it softly and blend it a little bit with the sky. And again, then after that you can apply next layer on it, like you can add more shadow in it, then after that you can add more light reflection on it. So first I am creating different shapes of clouds, and defining their positions, areas, and then later on I will add more depth and in these on these clouds. Usually top clouds are more dense, and bottom clouds are mostly flat or of same color, and but the top clouds are more fluffy and of different shades and different shapes. Bottom clouds are usually linear and flat. Smudge it gently and spread a little bit outside as it's spreading on the sky. Then it will add more realistic look and dramatic look. Don't make similar shapes of clouds, make some varieties of clouds, and you can add more lights on it, different color reflections, like you can add a little bit yellow or yellow ochre in titanium white, or you can also mix sometimes a little bit red in titanium white to give different shades. If you are creating clouds of sunset or sunrise, then you have vast range of colors, like purple or orange or red you can use in that color, or yellow also. But when you are creating clouds for 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock, then there will be less colors in clouds. Mostly they will really be white, gray, and little bit blue. So create a paint according to your time, and smudge lightly with flat brushes or soft flat brushes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like and subscribe for more videos and updates. Thanks for watching.